Hi everyone, welcome again to our biology class. Today we are going to start our second term textbook, and the chapters are very easy and very interesting. And the first chapter that we are going to study is about the parts of the plants. Parts of the plants, that is our first chapter. Then, as you know, we are having different parts, like hand is our part, then eye is our another part, nose is another part, mouth, there itself teeth is there, then tongue is there, then ears, then leg. Different parts are there for our body. Then these parts perform different functions or different duties in our body. Okay, like that, plants are also having different parts in their body to perform or to do different duties. We are having different parts, then with that our body perform different duties. Like that, in the case of plants, there are different parts or many parts for the plants, and those parts are doing many duties in the plant body. Okay, today we will study about two parts in the plant body. Okay, so let's start. Which are the parts and what are their features? First part that we have to study is root. Root is the first part in the plant that we have to study. Where can we see the root? If we are seeing a plant, where can we see the root? Where? Can you say? Where can we see the root? We can see the root where? Under the ground or under the soil. The roots of the plant will be under the soil or it will be under the ground. Okay, then what are the features or what are the peculiarities of the root? There are two types of root in the plant. In some plant there will be a main root. Main root will be there, then from which small roots will be there. That you can see in the picture. Look. There is a main root, then from the main root there are small thin roots can be seen. Such roots are called taproot. Taproot. This is one type of root. So there will be a main root and there will be small thin roots from the main root. Such roots are called taproot. In some other plant, for example, this can be seen, for example, so taproot, I told you, there will be a main root and from the main root there will be small roots. For example, a rose plant, it can be seen. Mango tree or mango plant, there this kind of root. Jackfruit plant, this kind of plant. Touch me not plant, no. These all are having this kind of taproot. There will be a main root and from the main root small thread like or small thin roots are formed. Such roots are called taproot. But in some other plants like grass, rice plant, wheat plant, etc., there will be a bunch of roots starting from the base or at the end of the stem. When the stem end, from there small group of roots or bunch of roots can be seen. Such kind of plants are called what? Called fibrous root. Second group. Fibrous root. So which are the two types of roots? Taproot and fibrous root. Clear? So taproot and fibrous. Taproot, there will be a main root, and from the main root small branch roots can be seen. But in the case of fibrous root, a group of root, a bunch of roots are formed from the end of the stem. Okay, that is what is called fibrous root. Clear to you? Yes. Then what are the duties of the root, or what are the functions of the root that it is doing in a plant? What are the duties of a root? First, functions first. First point, fix the plant firmly in the soil. Fix the plant firmly in the soil. What is this? You know, if all the roots of a plant is cut, that plant will fall down. Okay. So who is keeping the plant like this? No, the roots. So it fix the plant firmly. Firmly means strongly where in the soil. Okay. We cannot pull the plant simply because it is fixed where in the soil. Who fixed the plant? The root fixed the plant. Okay. Root fixed the plant and how? Firmly where in the soil. So strongly the plant is fixed where in the soil. മണ്ണിൽ ഉറപ്പിച്ചു നിർത്തുക. Okay. That is the duty of whom? Root. Second point, absorb water and minerals from the soil. Who absorb? Root. Absorb water and minerals from the soil. Absorb water and minerals from the soil. That means, you know, plants make food. For that, plants need water, minerals, etc. That from where the plants get? They get from the soil. Then who take it? Who absorb it? Roots absorb or roots take. Okay. മണ്ണിൽ നിന്ന് വേണ്ട സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ they will absorb. Last point, some roots store food. In some roots, extra food will be stored, or balanced food will be stored where? In the roots itself. Example, carrot, beetroot, radish. Carrot, beetroot and radish. So in these plants, the root absorb what? Food materials. So these are the three duties of whom? Three duties of a root. Which are they? First, the root fix the plant firmly in the soil. Second, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then third point, some roots store food. Example, carrot, beetroot and radish. Okay, these are the points that we have to study about root. So where the root can be seen? It can be seen under the ground or under the soil. Two types of root, which are they? Taproot and fibrous root. Then functions of the root. Okay. Then we can study, or we have to study about stem. Second part. First we studied about what? The root. The next part is the stem. Where can we see the stem? the root was under the soil or under the ground, the stem will be above the ground, or the part of the plant which can be seen above the ground is called stem. Okay, stem contain many things. Which are they? For example, leaves, it will be on the stem. Branches, it will be on the stem. Flowers, fruits, etc. all can be were on the stem. Or stem bears what? Leaves, flowers, branches and fruits. So these all can be seen were on the stem. So stem is very important. Clear? Then in some plants or in some trees, big trees, the stem will be very strong and it will be very hard and it will be woody. Strong means, it will be very strong and very hard, very tight, and it will be woody. Like wood, wood means maram. So maram pole aayirikkum. Such stem or such part of the stem is called what? Trunk. So the stem of big trees are called trunk. What? Called trunk. The stem of big trees are called trunk. Okay, but there are some other plants. Its stem is strong and hard, but not thick as the trunk. It is strong and bigger, but not thick as or not big as the trunk. Trunkinte അത്ര വലിപ്പം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, പക്ഷേ സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിരിക്കും in some plants. Such kind of the stem is called shrubs. Such kind of stem is called shrubs. So trunk means it is the stem of big trees. It is very big, thick, strong and woody. Okay, maram aayirikkum. That is what is called trunk. Then in some plants, small plants, it will be strong but not big or thick as the trunk. That is called shrub. Marathinte അത്ര അങ്ങോട്ട് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, ചെറുതായിരിക്കും. That is what is called shrub. Okay, trunk example banyan tree, jackfruit tree, mango tree, etc. Shrubs example rose plant. Then such kind of plants, small plants, these are the example for the shrubs. Rose plant, hibiscus plant, rose plant, then hibiscus plant. These are example for what? Shrubs. Another group is there. Their stem is soft. We can bend with our hand. Soft and it is very smooth. Such kind of stem is called herb. Herbs. Their stem is soft and smooth and it is not hard. Okay, if it is hard we cannot bend. If it is hard we cannot bend. But herbs are soft, smooth and not hard. So smooth, simply we can bend. So such kind of stem is called herb. Tulasi, mint, podina. This kind of plants with our hand we can bend because soft, smooth and not hard. Such kind of stem is called herbs. Okay, some herbs or some plants with soft stem, they grow on the ground. They grow over the ground. Such kind of plants are called creepers. Creepers. Which are they? The plants with a soft stem and grow through the ground. നിലത്ത് കൂടെയാണ് വളരുക. Such kind of plants are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, മത്തൻ, ash gourd, കുമ്പളം, okay, cucumber, വെള്ളരി, etc. These are example for what? Plants which grow over the ground and they are called creepers. Okay, Last group, there are another type of plants. Their stem is very weak stem, but they grow on a support. If there is a stick or if there is a tree, that plant grow on it. Okay, such kind of plants are called what? Climbers. Such kind of plants are called climbers. What? Climbers. So climbers grow on any support. അതിന് വളരാൻ ഒരു സപ്പോർട്ട് വേണം. ഓക്കെ, സച്ച് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആർ കാൾഡ് ക്ലൈംബേഴ്സ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ പീ പ്ലാന്റ്, പയർ ചെടി. പയറുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു വടി കുത്തി കൊടുത്താൽ ആ വടിയുമല്ലേ വളരുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കാൾഡ് ദ സപ്പോർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ, സോ സച്ച് പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആർ കാൾഡ് ക്ലൈംബേഴ്സ്. ദേ ഗ്രോ ഓവർ എ സപ്പോർട്ട്. പെപ്പർ പ്ലാന്റ്, കുരുമുളക്, it will grow on a tree. Money plant, that also need a support. So this kind of plants, they need support, are called climbers. So which are the types of plants? Some plants, big plants, their stem is called trunk. Then another type of plants, they are having strong stem but it is not big, that is called shrubs. Another group of plants, they are having soft and smooth stem, they are called herbs. Some plants grow over the ground, they are called creepers. Some plants grow over a support, they are called climbers. Okay, then we have to see what are the functions of what? The stem. Duties of the stem. First duty, stem support the plant. Okay, if there is the stem, that plant can stand correctly. That means a support will be given by the plant, by the stem. അതായത് ആ പ്ലാന്റിന് നേരെ നിൽക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഡ്യൂട്ടി ഓഫ് ഹൂം? സ്റ്റെം. ഫസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ്, carry water to the leaves. We studied now in the case of root absorb water and minerals. These water and minerals or water, it carry to where? To the leaves. Why? We know leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Okay, food ഉണ്ടാക്കണമെങ്കിൽ എവിടെ എത്തണം? ലീഫിലെത്തണം. ആ ലീഫിലേക്ക് ഈ വെള്ളത്തെ കൊണ്ടേ കൊടുക്കുക. That is the duty of whom? It is the duty of the stem. Third point, look, carry the food to all parts of the plant. You know, leaves make the food. Okay, after making the food, that food will reach or should reach to all parts of the plant. Okay, that is the duty of whom? Giving or supplying that food to all parts. Carry the food to all parts of the plant. Leaf ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ ഫുഡിനെ പ്ലാന്റിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തേക്കും എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുക. That is the duty of whom? The stem. Last point, some stem store food. Example, sugar cane, ginger, potato. Sugar cane, ginger and potato. So these are the parts of the stem that store food. Okay, some stem store extra food, example sugarcane, ginger and potato. So these are the 4 functions of the stem, which are the stem support the plant. Second, stem carry water to the leaves. Third, carry the food to all parts of the plant. Fourth, some stem store food, example sugarcane, ginger and potato. So we discussed about what the root and the stem, 2 parts we studied. So watch the video repeatedly and try to understand what each sentences mean, and try to catch all these main points. Study very well. After watching the video, you have to read these points through your textbook, then it will be okay to you. Okay, so study very well. Watch the video 2 times. I told you 2 times only. Watch the video completely 2 times, then watch the textbook or read the textbook 2 times, then it will be clear to you. You are good students, and your class teacher and everybody, all the teachers are saying 3rd standard students are very good students. So I think you will watch the video 2 times completely, then you will read the textbook 2 times, then this chapter will be clear to you. Don't you do? Yes, you will do. You have to do. Okay, so do well and study very well, then you will get everything okay. If you have doubt, you can contact me. I will clear your all doubts. Okay, so study very well. Once again I am saying 2 times you have to see the video, then it will be okay to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.